TJ Tana, and I'm an illusionist and mind reader.
You are.
I have had the extreme privilege of performing my magic all over the world. And based out of New York, I performed at countless private events and bar and bat mitzvahs from Manhattan all the way to Montauk. I have seen it all, and I've been to just about every venue that there is. Whether you're planning a small luncheon event or a party with over 200 guests, my magic will engage the adults, the teenagers, and the kids as well. In a moment, you're going to see videos from real people at real events. No smoke, no mirrors, just real reactions like the ones you can see at your next event.
Watch the clock.
Oh my god, it's going backwards.
Oh, one scores. It's 10.
Oh my god.
Like this, it melts right off. Did you see it go? Show it to them. Ladies and gentlemen, right there. Move it with your finger. Move it with your finger.
It's invasive.
Watch this. It's actually in the cell phone. Like pull it out. You can see it.
Stop whenever you want.
Guys, hire this magician.
My job is very simple. To bring hard-hitting, insanely entertaining, and highly memorable magic for your next event, period.